Good morning friends, I am Chandan Singh. Today I will discuss about a new topic, that is mitochondria. That is very important topic. The student which are preparations about the medical science, and the topic is related with the entrance exam of the medicals, which are having very important for the purpose of the NEET as well as other than exam. So now we are discuss about some little descriptions about mitochondria. Basically friends, mitochondria is a very minute cell organelles which are present inside the cell which are belong to the plant as well as the animal cells. So about the mitochondria, what we know about the information is related with. So basically the mitochondria is firstly observed by the Colliker scientist. Colliker in 1880. In 1880, the scientist that is named as Colliker is first observed the mitochondria in the striated muscles of the insect. So these are first observed in the striated muscles of the insect by the scientist that is named as Colliker. But no one is scientist is succeeded who is show the mitochondria in the living cell. But after 1 year, then that is 1890, the scientist is come that is called that is very important scientist Fleming. That is very important topic. Fleming is called phyla. Mitochondria is known as the name, other name is called phyla, that is named by Fleming scientist. That is a very important. Who one is called phyla of the mitochondria? That is Fleming. Related these duration this time, exactly in this duration of the time period, the new one scientist are come, that is called Benda, and he first observed this mitochondria inside the living cells, and give the name mitochondria. Mitochondria is the name is given by the scientist which is called Benda. Its common name is chondriosome. That is very important about the mitochondria. Firstly observed by the striated muscles, and this is called insect. Striated muscles of the insect is firstly observed by the mitochondria. By the scientist of the Colliker. And Benda is the observe the mitochondria in the living cells and give the name of mitochondria and is common name as chondriosome. Now friends, that is very important information that mitochondria is the second largest cell organelles which are occur inside the cells, all the living cells. So that is very important. One more thing is very important about the plant cells and about the animal cell. Both cells having the different type of mitochondria. I will be discussed in future lessons, but in last lectures I will be already discussed that mitochondria in the plant cells is major sizes, but number is come. Basically, in plant cells, the mitochondria is the major size, but less in number. And in about the animal cell, the mitochondria having the little size and more in number. That is very important. In plant cells, major size and less number. In animal cells, less size in more number. That is very important value about the mitochondria. Now the next contain about the mitochondria. Okay, what is the special features about the mitochondria? So I will be discuss that is very important. Mitochondria have act as a aerobic respirations, and it involve the cellular activity, cellular energy are produced, cellular energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, that is the energy of currency of the cells. That is very important. Now mitochondria is the main site of the beta oxidations about the fat, about the ETS electron transport systems, about the TCA tricarboxylic acid TCA cycles जिसे बोलते हैं Krebs cycles, and about the photophosphorylations of the amphibollic pathway. So that is important, very important कि oxidative phosphorylations process which are occur after that particular points. I will be mention on that oxidative phosphorylation. You can say like this. So it will be involved in the beta oxidation process which are occur by the mitochondria. That is the main site of the beta oxidation, and which are processed by the fat and ETS and TCA and oxidative phosphorylations. Now it is also involved, mitochondria also involved, you can say like this, help to synthesize of what is synthesized by the mitochondria. So mitochondria is synthesize the amino acid and photorespirations process, and produce the ATP energy. One more thing is very important. Mitochondria is present in all living cells, but except in prokaryotic cells and some mammalian cells, that is called RBCs. RBCs is common name as erythrocyte cells. That is the productions of the RBCs, that is called erythropoiesis. So that is very important about the mitochondria. And the mitochondria having one special features that is very important. Mitochondria have called autonomous cell organelles. Autonomous cells organelles which synthesize their own DNA. It will further convert into the RNA, and which are proceed the protein. That means the mitochondria is synthesize own protein. That's why it is called semi-autonomous organelles. That is very important about the mitochondria. One more thing I will be described about the mitochondria. I will be elaborate their pictures of the mitochondria on the board. So please take a look on the board. Basically, mitochondria, friends, mitochondria is the organelles which are dual membranous. First one is external membrane and second one is inner membrane. Internal membrane. Now this internal membrane are further form the finger-like projections which is called cristae. In animal cells it is called cristae, and in plant cells it is called tubuli. Now it has some particles which are arranged on the surface of the cristae, that is called F1 particles. That is called F1 particles, and it is also called oxysomes. It is also called ribosomes. Now in this mitochondria, the fluid are present in this mitochondria. In these pictures, that is called matrix, and it played the major role in aerobic respiration, which produced the cellular energy in the form of ATP, that is the energy of currency cells. Currency of the energy cells, you can say like this. So that is little bit information about the mitochondria. So friends, what type information you have got in this video? So you just play the comment and give the suggestions what you have liked, and if you want to be having any other one suggestions, so you just please. So thank you for, and we will come for the next video with respect of other than topics. So please take care and bye bye. Thank you.